Download the free practice worksheet on this topic or take a practice quiz at Mathcation.com. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another awesome math video from Mathcation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert decimals to percents. As you can see, there are three important things that we need to remember for converting decimals to percents. If you break the word percent down, it actually means per 100 or out of 100. Now, the way to change a decimal into a percent is to multiply by 100. The shortcut for doing that is moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. When you multiply, the decimal point is going to move to the right. If you move the decimal point to the right and you don't have a number, you will add a 0 if there isn't a number there. And then finally, you will add your percentage sign, which looks like this, to the number to show that it is now a percent and your decimal has been converted to a percent. And if you're learning anything right now, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on other helpful math videos. Let's go ahead and get started with some practice problems about converting decimals to percents. You can see this first problem here gives us 0.65 as our decimal. Now, percent, remember, means you have to multiply that times 100. So what we're going to do as a shortcut for multiplying by 100 is we're going to move the decimal point 2 times to the right. We could say 0.65 times 100 and you can multiply the whole thing out. Or you could just know the shortcut is to take this decimal point, move it to the right once, twice, and leave it right there. And then you're going to rewrite it. We have 65, and now the decimal point's at the end, so it's a whole number, 65. And then to show that it's been changed to a percentage, you're going to use the percent symbol. 0.65 as a decimal is 65%. Moving on to the next practice problem for converting decimals to percents, this problem gives us 1.75 as our decimal. So I'm going to rewrite 1.75. I know that I have to multiply by 100, but instead of doing all that math, all I have to do is take this decimal point and move it 2 times to the right. So it moves to the right twice, and now I have 175. And because I multiplied by 100, I can show that it is now a percent by adding the percentage symbol. So the decimal 1.75, when it's converted to a percent, is 175%. Finally, the last practice problem gives us 0.8 as our decimal. So I'm going to go ahead and write 0.8 as a decimal, and I'm going to move that 2 times to the right. I'm going to go once, twice, because I'm trying to change this into a percentage. Now, when I do that, I have a situation where I don't have a number here. There's no digit here, but we have to add something to hold the place value of that digit. What we're going to do is we're going to add the number 0. And the reason we're doing that is because we need something there that holds the place value. Now I'm going to rewrite this as a whole number. So now it's 80. And then I add a percentage to show that it's been converted to a percent. So 0.8 as a percentage is actually 80%. Because you have to add the 0 to hold the place value because there's no number there. And if you want to do some more practice on converting decimals to percents, go ahead and click the link in the top right part of your video and you'll be taken to a quick practice quiz that will grade itself and tell you how you did. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you got something out of it and drop a comment telling me if this video helped you or if you need help with something else. See ya!